एक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस जो आप शेयर करना चाहोगे और एक ऐसा एडवाइस जो आप अपने जूनियर्स को देना चाहोगे कि हम रिपीट ना करें या फिर वो ज्यादा करके करें?
So you'd always feel like that there are very less opportunities or very less happening in the campus. I'd say don't miss on that and make the full out of it. You know, there are a lot of things you can like enjoy here. I missed on it. I wish I had come to college daily and enjoyed on things. So that's it.
Okay, and the best thing happened to you here in campus?
Best thing I think my friends.
And what about the classes?
Classes were really good. I thought M.Com was a backup course, but nobody. I end up studying the most for this course.
Thank you. ऐसा कोई क्लास जिसमें आपको जाने का बिल्कुल मन ना होता हो?
इसके लिए बोलने लगे।
पब्लिक में बोलना पड़ेगा क्या?
हाँ।
नहीं, कोई क्लास नहीं है, मैं अटेंड ही नहीं करता था सारा क्लास।
कोई एक क्लास होगा जिसके साथ आपकी थोड़ी बीफ रही होगी या फिर कुछ भी ऐसे कोई
नहीं।
प्रोफेसर?
जो अच्छा लगता है वही जाता हूँ, बाकी जाता ही नहीं हूँ।
Okay, और ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस जो आपने करा हो इधर, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा हो, जो आप शेयर करना चाहते
जीपी पे रहते थे, घूमते थे, सबको तो बता नहीं सकते बट है बहुत कुछ है। बैडमिंटन खेलना, देन आरटीएल में बैग रख के आरटीएल भूल जाना कि आरटीएल आना भी होता है।
हैं? लिखा ही नहीं इनके शर्ट पे कुछ पूछ।
हाँ, मेरे साइड कुछ नहीं लिखा है।
हाँ। कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस जो आप शेयर करना चाहोगे हमारे साथ?
बहुत सारे एक्सपीरियंस है। लाइक अगर हम ट्यूट्स की बात करें, उनमें एक्टिविटीज की बात करें, क्लास लेते लेते लूडोज खेलना इज द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस है फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। आई डोंट
एंड कोई ऐसा प्रोफेसर जो आपको बहुत पसंद है?
इट्स नॉट स्पेसिफिकली, क्योंकि आई एम द लेजी पर्सन जो क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करती है। प्लीज स्किप दैट पार्ट। किसी प्रोफेसर को पता चला नहीं, आज ना कट करें।
Expectation versus reality in one line.
One line is not enough to sum up my experience at DSE, but still expectation नहीं थी, but जितनी थी उससे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त मिल गए, तो
Okay.
I mean like a family though.
और एक ऐसा कोई मिस्टेक जो आप अपने जूनियर्स को कहना चाहोगे कि हम रिपीट ना करें?
यार एक मिस्टेक है कि कॉलेज आओ तो रेगुलर आओ, प्लीज छुट्टी मत मारना बीच में, बस।
और कोई एक ऐसा प्रोफेसर या फिर कुछ भी जो आप शेयर करना चाहोगे उनके साथ एक्सपीरियंस?
देखो ऑल द प्रोफेसर्स आर गुड, बहुत अच्छी फैकल्टी, बट मेरे फेवरेट प्रोफेसर स्पेशली है जगदीश सर।
तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपके शर्ट में लिखा है कि चलता फिरता लिंक्डइन है,
Yes.
क्या है?
इसका मतलब ये कि like in the past 2 years I've been very active almost in everything. So I was ubiquitous, found in every event, every society, and most of the people know me. Like everybody knows me, from faculty to my batchmates to my juniors to the staff members of department of library, and people think that I'm very good at building connections. That's why चलता फिरता LinkedIn.
Okay. और कोई ऐसा एक एडवाइस जो आप अपने जूनियर्स को देना चाहोगे जो हम रिपीट ना करें?
Okay, so mistake जो repeat ना करो. Don't ignore your marks. Okay, whatever you do, it's good, but keep your studies priority.
Okay. और ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा मतलब जो आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन थी और जो रियलिटी थी काफी डिफरेंट थी, ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस?
Good or bad?
Anything.
Experience, like everything I got in DSE was beyond my expectations. Like I was thinking, okay, बस 2 साल का बस masters करना है, but जो reality थी, I got beyond that, like beyond my expectations. I'm grateful to each and every experience.
Thank you. Expectation versus reality of DSE in one line.
Didn't really have much expectation. I just came with an open heart. Whatever would happen, and it was some of the 2 of best years of my life. And now, unfortunately, it's almost done. But I'm gonna miss it very much. It was a very good time.
And one advice that you'd like to give to your juniors?
Oh, one advice to the juniors: don't cheat, but keep doing you. Keep being you. Don't listen to whatever anyone says here in campus. Do what your heart tells you, and just keep going forward.
One mistake that you make and you don't want your juniors to make it?
Don't study 2 or 3 days before the exam. especially if it's ABBA So for those who are going to do finance, prepare well for ABBA exam.
Thank you so much. Okay, so expectation versus reality in one line.
Of DSC?
Yes.
I'll have to think. Oh no, like it has a different vibe. Like it's not the same. You come expecting something else, but then you get something else in return. So it's balanced out.
Okay, and one mistake that you advise us juniors to not make again, like what you make and what you should not.
I think I was perfect. No.
Obviously, you were.
No, just prepare before classes and be active on campus. Like come every day, no matter what.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what would you suggest for us to keep doing on this campus, like apart from classes?
Keep
What
on
else?
interacting with people, like different people. You come, you sit here, you see people from different patterns. You just come and talk to them. You learn so much more.
Okay. And what was your one experience that you'd like to share with us?
A lot of experience. I've had some amazing conversations at JP, and I made amazing friends. So that's it.
Okay. I think versus reality of DSC in one line.
हमें कुछ ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशन लगा के आए थे कि इट विल बी नाइसेस्ट कॉलेज, वन ऑफ द नाइसेस्ट कॉलेज, बट यहाँ देखा कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट निकला यार.
True. और एक ऐसा एडवाइस जो आप अपने जूनियर्स को देना चाहोगे?
क्लास से ज़्यादा तुम लाइब्रेरी में पढ़ने का नाटक कर सकते हो.
Expectation versus reality in one line.
Come again?
Expectation versus reality in one line.
Versus reality in one line. My friend Suraj.
Why so?
Because he has very high hopes for his life, but because of us, he is very grounded.
And one thing that you'd like to advise your juniors to not make the mistakes that you made.
Choose DU as a first option for a graduation, not BHU.
Do not ignore the classes. I didn't make this mistake. I have attended all the classes, but you should too. Do not underestimate the internal marks. That will add up a lot. And enjoy it to the fullest. This mistake I have made. I have found really nice people. I didn't come here with the expectation because वो होता है ना कि दिल्ली है, सब बड़े selfish होंगे. I have found gems of people here, like really nice people here. And I never expected that. Like all the experiences with them, all the learnings that I've got from them is just immense and immensely special to me.
Expectation versus reality. I did not come with a lot of expectations. So I generally in life also I do not keep expectations. Some things I like to go with the flow. So my experience has been pretty good.
और एक ऐसा एडवाइस जो अपने जूनियर्स को देना चाहो.
Okay. So an advice I would say is make connections here and talk to more people, attend more classes, talk to professors because they have much more experience that you will ever have, and the guidance that they will give you will help you a lot. So just come regularly, attend classes and talk to your professors and just have fun because most probably this will be the last student life that you will have.
Yes. आपका एक ऐसा सीक्रेट जो आप हमेशा हंसते रहते हो, उसका सीक्रेट क्या है?
मैं हंसता रहता हूँ.
Yes. यार आप हंसते रहते हो.
ये हाँ.
Okay.
इधर है.
Okay. और expectation versus reality of DSC in one line.
मैं सत्यवती से आया था, तो मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन बड़ी है यहाँ पे आके.
Okay. और कुछ एक ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस जो आप शेयर करना चाहोगे जूनियर्स के साथ?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ स्पेसिफिक नहीं है. बहुत अच्छा है.
Expectation versus reality of DSC in one line.
I expected it to be boom and it's like shh.
Okay. And one advice that you'd like to your juniors to give?
Make friends, enjoy. I mean, the semesters, the exam, the classes, you're not gonna remember. All you're gonna remember JP की tea, canteen पे gossip, and classes बंद करके कहीं घूमने जाना. So make memories. Don't be a fool कि classes लेनी है. मतलब लो, but balance.
Okay. Expectation versus reality of DSC in one line.
Okay, was expecting कुछ बहुत अच्छी चीजें, दोस्त अच्छे मिल गए I would say. So that was an overall great experience I had in DSC भाई.
क्या आपका?
See, believe is everything is on us, but how we see, how we perceive the things. I believe DOC Department of Commerce is the best place for those people who want to get in research, in academia. Teachers are very helpful. If you will approach teachers, they will definitely be helpful. And if you will put effort, you will definitely go ahead in your career. That's all I want to say.